With this salmon grill, today we're going to make an exquisite recipe. And I'm sure you're going to completely love it when you try it. To start with, we're going to light the charcoal to cook our salmon. For this recipe, we're going to use some white, pre-cooked asparagus buds, a prawn stock that we'd prepared beforehand, and the salmon we have to grill. Salt and pepper. It's important to adjust the size of the salmon fillet to the size of the grill board. Then rub some olive oil on the board to stop the salmon skin sticking. Then we're going to add some salt and pepper, and that will be all ready to put onto the grill, holding it in place with the metal rack. In about 20 or 30 minutes, our grilled salmon will be ready. To plate the dish, cut a decent sized piece of recently grilled salmon and neatly place the asparagus buds around it. Then add the prawn stock nice and hot, and we'll finish off decorating the plate with some chive and some rosemary flowers. This is a quick and easy way of how to cook a good piece of salmon fillet. Really enjoy fish and enjoy cooking with this fantastic Legua product.